So the equation is, this is number 1. Y prime is equal to 2y plus 3. Do you agree? So how do you think that slope line is there? What's it dependent on? It's depending on y, so it's not going to change as we go along x. It's only going to change as we change y. So at the same x position, it's yeah, exactly. You understand? So like if x is equal to 1 or x equals to 2, it's not going to make any difference. Okay, so let's plot. So let's say this is the x-axis. Let's say this is well, y prime. Okay. Or no, we want y here. Okay, so so let's use a different color. So if y is 0, which means at the x-axis your slope is always 3. So you draw lines with slopes of 3 along the y-axis. I mean along the x-axis. So all these slopes are 3. Okay, and now, just change the y. So if y is 1, right? So let's make a table here. Y prime y. Or the other way. Y prime. So when y was 0, the slope was always 3. When y is 1, now we have 5. So now they're slightly steeper. So when we go up to 1, so let's say 1 is here, it doesn't matter where you are along the x-axis, now the slopes are slightly steeper. Yeah? So on. And if y is minus 1, then we get 1, because it'll be minus 2 plus 3 will be 1. So here, at 1, it's going to be shallower. So at minus 1, it's going to be shallower. And then you can see as the y increases, the slopes get steeper. And as y decreases, the slopes get shallower. There's a point at which the slopes will be 0, and that happens at 3/2. So right here, at 3/2, or minus 3/2, I meant, you're going to get 0 slope, so you're going to get horizontal lines like this. So this was the y equals minus 3/2. This was the minus 1. This one was the 3, and this one, no, sorry, the slope here was 0. The slope here was 5. Here it was 3, and here it was 5. And as we go down here now, the slopes are going to become negative if we go below minus 3/2. So like say if we go to minus 2 and plug it in, we're going to get a minus 1. So now the slopes are going to start becoming they're going to switch. Minus 1. And as we go to minus 3, we're going to get a very steep slope. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. Yeah? So then, if we go there, and likewise we can keep on going and fill this whole page with slopes. Um, um, of course, they're all the same along the x-axis because it doesn't change with x. And then I can do likewise here. Here it's going to be steeper. And I can just keep on going. And then above it, there's going to be one that's even steeper. And so on and so forth. Is it asking anything else? No. That's it. Do you get the idea here?